Imagine a machine designing a cure for Alzheimer's in days, not decades. Last month, AI did just that, crafting proteins to hunt cancer cells with precision never seen before. These aren't natural proteins, they're artificial, built by algorithms. Today, drug discovery as we know it is dying. For centuries, medicine has been a game of chance, of discovery. We'd search jungles for rare plants, test thousands of chemicals, hoping to find one key that fits one lock to cure one disease. But what if we stopped searching? What if instead of finding the key, we could design it atom by atom? An intelligence that isn't human is now writing the code for living medicines, and it's about to change everything. To understand this revolution, you first have to understand the old way. For decades, discovering a drug was a brute force numbers game. Imagine trying to find the one key that opens a special lock in a junkyard the size of a city. Scientists would do this chemically, testing thousands, sometimes millions of random molecules against a disease target, hoping for a match. This process, called high throughput screening, costs billions and takes years. It's why bringing a single new medicine to your pharmacy can take over a decade. We were fighting biology with blind luck, but now AI allows us to stop guessing. It doesn't search the junkyard, it looks at the lock and designs the perfect key from scratch. Companies like Generate Biomedicines are leveraging AI to slash timelines, with some AI-designed drugs entering clinical trials in just 18 to 24 months, half the traditional 3 to 5 years according to recent industry reports. This AI works in the language of life itself, a language written not in words but in amino acids, the building blocks that form proteins. Proteins are the microscopic machines that run your body. The sequence of these acids determines the protein's final 3D shape, like a string of beads that suddenly snaps into a complex piece of origami, and that shape determines its function. For decades, predicting that shape was a monumental challenge. But now, AI has not only mastered reading this language, it started writing it. Think of it like an architect designing a skyscraper. Traditional drug discovery is like trying random building materials until something doesn't fall down. But AI protein design works like a master architect. It understands the physics, knows what materials work together, and can design a structure that will stand up before breaking ground. Scientists give the AI a mission: dream up a protein to lock onto this cancer cell. Trained on millions of protein shapes, the AI imagines thousands of new designs, predicts how they'll fold, and picks the best ones to be built in a lab. And this isn't happening in some distant future. It's happening right now, in a fierce global arms race. In the United States, startups like Generate Biomedicines and AppC are attracting billions in investment to become fully AI-driven drug creation engines. Tech giants are jumping in. Google's AI division, which solved protein folding with AlphaFold, has launched Isomorphic Labs with the sole mission of reimagining drug discovery. The old guard is scrambling, with pharmaceutical giants like Sanofi and NVIDIA recently signing billion-dollar deals to partner with these AI pioneers, desperate not to be left behind. Meanwhile, countries like China have declared leadership in AI and biotechnology a national priority, pouring state funding into companies we haven't even heard of yet. India, with its $80 billion bioeconomy, is emerging as a powerhouse. Its startup, Bugworks Research, is using AI to design antibiotics against superbugs that kill 1.3 million people annually, per the WHO. This isn't just a business race, it's a fight to save lives. The country that masters AI biology doesn't just dominate healthcare, they control the future of life itself. And the winner of this race won't just dominate medicine, the applications are staggering. Scientists have already created enzymes that can break down plastic bottles in hours. Imagine AI scaling this technology to devour the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Researchers are engineering crops that pull nitrogen directly from the air, ending our reliance on chemical fertilizers. AI-designed organisms could absorb carbon directly from the atmosphere, manufacture medicines inside living plants, or create materials stronger than steel and lighter than silk. We are talking about the dawn of programmable biology. a tool that could solve climate change, end hunger, and rewrite the periodic table of materials. But this incredible power comes with unprecedented dangers. Our laws move at human speed. This technology is moving at machine speed. If an AI designs a life-saving molecule, who owns the patent? The company that built the AI? Can you even patent something not created by a human mind? Our entire legal framework is crumbling, and there's a much darker risk. The same AI that could cure Alzheimer's could, in the wrong hands, design a virus as deadly as smallpox. Created on a laptop, in a garage, we're democratizing the power to create biological weapons. As this capability spreads, we're not just racing to cure diseases, we're racing to prevent the ultimate bioterror attack. Experts warn of a biotech singularity, a point where our creations outpace our control, risking millions of lives without global oversight. The question isn't if someone will misuse this technology, but when. We are standing at a monumental crossroads. For the first time, we have the tools to not just read the book of life, but to become its co-authors. This technology could end diseases that have plagued humanity for millennia, solve climate change, and usher in an age of abundance. But we've also opened Pandora's box. We've built an intelligence that can design life itself. The code is written, the experiments are running, the global race has begun. Should AI biology be open to all, risking misuse, or locked down, limiting its potential? The only question left is, what do we ask it to build next, and who gets to decide? Join the debate in the comments. Should this technology be open source or tightly controlled? And if you want to stay ahead of the tech changing our world, subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss a breakthrough that could reshape everything.